Hey everybody, and welcome back to Simply Bomb Cooking. Today I'm going to be doing I did this chicken on Facebook, but it wasn't the curry jerk chicken. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to throw down some curry jerk chicken in the kitchen on top of the stove. So come on, let's get started. Use the cast iron pan on top of the stove. The curry jerk chicken wings that have been marinating since yesterday. Oh yeah, those are my greens back there. Do you see that bubbling? Yes, indeedy. So I'm just gonna add a 1/4 cup of onion. I just put in there with some olive oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put a sprinkle of garlic, just a little sprinkle, okay, on the pan, okay? That's enough. We don't need a lot. I'll definitely do a mukbang so that you guys can taste it with me. This is gonna be so good. The pan is nice and heated. All right, so that's on a medium heat. I'm gonna go ahead and add the wings in there. I'm gonna also put the juice in here, guys. And these are gonna be really spicy, so if you don't like spice, you might wanna cut back on the jerk seasoning. All right, so let that simmer for a minute. I think I'm going to use all of the seasoning, so I just put a little water in that and going to go ahead and pour that in there and let that cook. But I'm going to do thyme and rosemary. So I'm just going to drop a leaf of rosemary right in the middle. Some thyme up here. I'm going to go ahead and put a leaf of that in there as well. And just let it simmer. So I'll let this simmer up a little bit, come back, and we'll check on it. I'm not going to cover it just yet. I'm going to let it cook a few more minutes. This is going to be amazing. I'm going to put some red pepper in this, so give me just a minute. Be right back. The red pepper gives it that sweetness. I'm going to go ahead and cover this now. And turn that heat down just a little, medium heat, because we will be adding a little bit more water to this. So I'm going to add a little water to that so it doesn't stick. I'm going to cover it up for about 15 minutes and be back. Yes, indeed. I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. Make sure that thyme and that rosemary get down in there. Have you ever had curry jerk? It is delicious. Go ahead and poke your chicken. Make sure it gets cooked on the inside. I'm going to bring the heat up just a little. And as it starts to cook and crisp up, I'll add a little bit more water. Take the cover off. It's on top of the stove to make sure it's done. But this is going to be amazing. This is going to be really spicy. If you want to cut back on the spice, just use the curry and a half a teaspoon of the jerk seasoning and spread it on there, let it sit. I actually put some on each piece of the chicken, so this is going to be really spicy. But you guys wait till you see how this turns out. You can have this with rice, with greens, with whatever you want for your sides. I'm going to go ahead and add some more onions to that. Look at that. That looks amazing, right? Okay, so here we are. This is what it's looking like now. Isn't that lovely? Oh my goodness. It's gonna be so good.